Bringing a professional 3D printer to market comes with a unique set of design challenges. The biggest challenge? The extrusion system. Get this wrong and you have failed prints, wasted time, and frustrated customers. E3D are here to help you get it right. Our extrusion systems can be found in 3D printers all over the world. We supply to over 60 countries, including China, and we're relied on by the biggest names in the 3D printing industry. Partner with us and set your customers up for success. Since 2012, we've been making advanced, cost-effective, user-focused extrusion systems. Our systems can process all kinds of specialist filaments for serious industrial applications. With E3D technology inside your machine, your customers will know it can perform. Integrate our market-proven systems directly into your machine, or tell us what you need and our design engineers will develop a system to meet your requirements. We offer all the support you need along the way. Our products are developed using the same equipment used to make Swiss watches, from beatable precision and quality.
We wanted to work with E3D because we wanted to improve the lifetime and the robustness of our own CC core. You see that E3D has not only production and assembly capabilities and a good supply chain, but also a lot of knowledge in engineering and research capacity within the company.
We can fulfill all scales of production, from short-run prototypes to the rapid manufacture of thousands of parts. With supply chains in the UK and the EU, we can turn around projects rapidly. We can test everything in-house, or you can test yourself. The choice is yours.
Working with E3D, it's been very clear that they know their stuff inside and out. It comes down to their ability to scale, as well as produce premium components that actually hit budget constraints, and you're able to produce that machine for an affordable price for your customers that has all those high quality components that they expect.
In a world where collaboration is more important than ever, we're here to help.